Hello, this is Dayana Polanco, Independent Senior National Sales Director, and I'm very pleased and very excited to be with you today. The values and the principles I was raised with align with many of the principles we need to practice on our Mary Kay journey. When I was a girl, my father taught me not to compete with anyone else except myself. I grew up with the goal of improving each day, doing something better every day compared to what I did the day before. And for me, this has been one of the most valuable lessons for my life and for my business. I get inspired by the success of others, but I believe the only way to develop my full potential is by making sure that I am giving my best. My goal is not to be better than anyone else, but to beat myself every single day. I truly believe that dreaming is the number one step to achieve something meaningful in life. And sadly, many women have forgotten how to dream. It is the mission of love helping women to dream again so that they may realize their true worth and increase their self-esteem. And it is beautiful to see how through our Mary Kay journeys, we can inspire women not only to dream, but most importantly, we empower them to make those dreams come true. Nowadays, modern life, technology, busy schedules, and fast-paced environments sometimes lead people to live in kind of a survival mode, with no time to dream, no time to look for opportunities to create a better life, with no time to even recognize opportunities when those opportunities are right in front of them. And I believe every woman has the potential to design and create the life she wants to live. I think that seeing possibilities instead of problems, opportunities instead of limitations, is a decision we need to make every single day. And this is the vision I instill in every woman I touch through my business. The way we choose to see our reality is what truly matters. I want every woman to know that no matter the circumstances, there will always be opportunities. There is hope in any challenge. There are solutions for any problem. I help them to cultivate a positive and abundant mentality, because only from that kind of mentality, we can create a positive and an abundant life. And this is the beauty of this business, that we can help others transform their mentality. And when a woman transforms her way of thinking, she can transform her whole life.